You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Sam, you gotta come in so you can see. Car. No, I can't hear it. Okay. Car. No, I can't hear it. Okay. All right. Ready, Devin? You in there? Okay,
What
ready?
other song?
Huh?
What other song?
No, this is a song, the Bob Marley song.
Oh.
Don't Worry song. You want to sing it? Addie, you want to sing with us? Bring your lemon drops in here. No? Okay. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Alright, let's do the verse. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched on my doorstep, singing a sweet song, a melody's pure and true, saying this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. 'Cause every little thing is gonna